All truth passes through three stages. First, it's ridiculed. Second, it's violently opposed. Third, it's accepted as being self-evident. And right now, we're in the second stage of violently opposed when it comes to the flat earth. And the third stage is coming up with it being self-evident. It reminds me of Simon Shack's videos with 9/11, saying how there's no planes being used when Alex Jones was pushing planes all day. And all these baby truthers back then, following Alex Jones, believed every word he said. And it's funny, Alex Jones is pushing the ball to earth and he ridicules flat earthers. So that should tell you something right there. And again with Simon Shack, right now, he's smelling like roses. If you're in the truth movement, or the so-called truth movement, and you say planes were used in the Pentagon and Shanksville, you're going to be considered, outdated. And that's going to happen to the same people that believe in the globe earth. Now take a look at this image here from the probe, from NASA's probe from 1990. This is completely ridiculous. With the earth and the moon, you see absolutely no stars. There's a good reason for that. Take a look at some more images here. This is supposedly taken from Apollo 17. You're just taking a look at this. Nothing but a painting. Completely ridiculous. Now, as far as those that say, well, other planets are round. The moon is round. So why can't the earth be round? Well, it's this simple. Other planets don't contain oceans. There's no bodies of water on it, like they say the earth supposedly has. Water underneath the sphere. I want to see someone demonstrate that model of water on a sphere on earth. Can't do it. Not going to happen. Okay, now let's talk about the Bible, where it talks about in Isaiah 40, verse 22, how God sits above the circle of the earth. Remember, the word sphere existed back in the Bible days. And a circle, remember, is a two-dimensional thing. And a sphere is 3 dimensions. So again, there's a difference between a circle and a sphere. And again, they always say that old saying, it's all in the cards. I can't say this enough. To me, with this Illuminati card game, and it says how people laugh, but flat earthers know something. They're telling you right here the truth in plain sight. And people want to ignore it. They don't want to believe it. They've been conditioned. They've been brainwashed. And these people, I say, you're still sleeping. You're still not awake. You're only partially awake. And this is a very big piece of the puzzle. And once you realize the earth is not a sphere, you'll be set free. Like the Bible says, when you know the truth will set you free.